Good evening, everybody. My name still remains Conspire Jakebe. I sincerely appreciate all of you for coming for this program. A very big thank you to those that attended the program yesterday. Those that watched, I appreciate you all. Thank you for coming. So you'll be wondering, what do we have for today? What exactly are we having for today? Today is packaged for you because today is the day that the training truly starts. We'll be having a whole lot of things today. What are we doing for today? Today, are we looking into pips, lots, leverage, brokers, platforms and charting softwares, types of traders, swing, day, position, scalp. We'll look into technical analysis. The truth about it is, all this is what I'll be handling today. I pray God help us today to achieve this. So, now that you are here, you'll be wondering, what exactly is PEEP? A PEEP is simply, let me share my screen. A PEEP is simply a tiny measure of the change in the currency pair in the forex market. It can be measured in terms of the quote or in terms of the underlying currency. Determining your profit and losses is an essential part of trading. So let's take a closer look at how PEEP spreads and factors in this equation. A PEEP is just the smallest price change that an asset can make. You'll be wondering what exactly is a PEEP. A PEEP is just a simple change in the forex market. A PEEP is what? Just a simple change in the forex market. For instance, when you look exactly into what PEEP generates, if you now go into what it looks like, this is exactly what PEEP means. There's a way I generate these things, and it has been so helpful. A PEEP is just 1/100 times 1/100. One times one is what? 1. 100 times 100 is what? 10,000. 1 divided by 10,000. 1 divided by 10,000 is what? That's 0.001. So what this simply means is, if I have 0.0001 as a result of 1/100 times 1/100, which gives me a PEEP. Now, it means that if I have something like this, if I have something like 0.00016, I can regard this as 1 PEEP. Now, if I see this as 1 PEEP, I can now see this as what? 6 pipettes. Now, you'll be wondering exactly what a pipette means. A pipette is what the brokers are the ones in charge of a pipette. The brokers are the ones in charge of what? The pipette. Now, what you have business with is the PEEP. You don't have to ask what the pipette is, because the brokers are the ones who are in charge of it, the pipette. So now, if you look at it so closely, guys, if I now say 1 PEEP is 0.0016, and pipette is what? 6 pipettes. Now, let's say I have a simple exchange rate. Probably I have an exchange rate of 1.12, 500, or 1.12, 506. Now, if I check this out, you observe that, let's say I'm working with probably 1.12516. This is just 1 PEEP in this set of values. And this is what 6 pipette. Class, what if I say, okay, madam or Mr. Nkorocha, add 2 pips to this exchange rate? Yes, I spoke about exchange rates. What I expect Mr. Nkorocha to do is the man should come here and he should just put 2 pips here. So eventually, this will be 6, this will be 3, this will be 5, 2, 1.1. So this man has successfully added 2 pips to this equation. This man has successfully added what? 2 pips to this. What if I now say, Mr. Who is in the house again? What if I now say, Mr. Kenneth, add 5 pips to this? What I expect this man to do is come here, put 5 here. 1 plus 5 is what? 6. So that's 1.1256. Now, what if I say add, let me clear my screen, please. What if I now say add 10 pips to that same equation? No, probably it was 1.12516. 10 pips with 4 here. Remember the last one I have no business with, that's the pivot. 6, 1, 6, 2, 1, 1. So that's exactly how pips work. Pip is just the addition of values to an exchange rate. Now to define something, if you have a pen or language is a recorded version, you can just listen. I want to quickly talk about take profit and stop loss. Take profit is a point whereby the market reaches and the market closes automatically in profit. I repeat, take profit is a point whereby the market reaches and the market closes automatically in profit. Stop loss is a point whereby the market reaches and the market closes in loss. I always tell people something. If you have a stop loss in a trade, it's not a bad thing. What stop loss does is, stop loss stops you from incurring what? Further loss. Stop loss what? Stops you from incurring what? Further loss. So that's that. A quick recap. I said a pip is the 4th value from the decimals. If you have something like this, a 4th value is 1, 2, 3, 4. So what you should be seeing as a pip is this one. So if you're adding values to it, you should have business to that 4th value. Quickly, let's talk about yen pair. Yen pair are CHF JPY, NZD JPY, GPP JPY, AUD JPY. These are Japanese pairs. Yen pairs are simply 1/10 times 1/10. 1 times 1 is what? 1. 10 times 10 is what? 100. 1 divided by 100 is what? 0.01. When you are seeing a pip as a 4th value from the decimals, yen pair own is different because yen pair is seen as, let's say probably you have a value 1.15.639. The 2nd value from the decimal, 1, 2, is what you see here as a pip. So if eventually I add 1 to this, so that'll be what? 9, 4, 6. Point what? 115. So that if I add 10, of course, you know your 10 should be coming here. 1 and 0. And of course, when you do that mathematics so clearly, that'll be what? 73. That'll be what? 73. Thank you very much, class. Let me quickly leave this aspect of pips. If you want to view more of it, you can just watch the recorded version of it. Now, let's go to lots. Lots represents the size of your trade in the forex market. In another interpretation, lot is the number of currency units you will trade in forex. And from my own research, there are actually 4 types of lots, but I streamlined it to 3. And they are standard lots, nano lots, then you have what they call mini lots, then let's say probably you have micro lots. So these are the type of lots we have. Now, the question is, what if, let me quickly go to my screen. Let's say Madam Evangel has $100 and he asks me, Mr. Gospel, what will be my lot size? That's 100 over 10,000. 100 over 10,000. Zeros cancel zeros. 1 divided by 100 is what? That's 0.0. So Madam Evangel is having a what? A micro lot size. Madam Evangel is having a what? A micro lot size. A micro lot size ranges from $100 to $900. So even if this woman has probably $900, 900 divided by 10,000. Do your mathematics, mathematicians in the house, that would be 0.09. So this is also what? A micro lot size. What if somebody like, who is in the house again? Let me check. What if someone like Mr. Okorocha, this man, welcome, sir. What if someone like Mr. Okorocha has $1,000? So that will probably be what? 1,000 divided by what? 10,000. Zeros cancel zeros. 1 divided by 10 is what? 0.1. So this will give you what? A mini lot size. This will give you what? A mini lot size is a lot size that ranges from, it's a lot size that ranges from $1,000 to what? $9,000. As at $9,000, you are also having 0.1. And it is what? A mini lot size. Who is in the house again? Let's say Mr. Kenneth has $10,000. 10,000 divided by 10,000 is what? 10,000 divided by 10,000 is 1. So that is what? A standard lot. See, if you have $10,000 in the forex market, you don't need to go outside to work. What I'm saying, I'm not forging stories here. I'll give you the analysis now. Normally, when I trade, I target 50 pips in a day. But yeah, I'm telling you here that if you have $10,000, just 10 pips alone, 10 pips alone on $10,000 can give you $100. 10 pips you target will give you what somebody has in his account, $100. Do you know what $100 means? And like yesterday when I deposited money for somebody that I wanted to trade for, $100 right now in the market is about 485. That's 48,500. Are you with me? So now imagine I target 50 pips in a day. 50 pips in a day will probably be what? That'll be what? $100. That's $500 in a day. You make your research. $500 in a day is almost 250,000 naira in a day. Please, if you know the kind of job that gives that kind of money, please let me know. Please, I need money so much. If you know the kind of job that gives all that kind of money, please let me know. So this business, if you know the right strategy to use, there's no way you can suffer. I'm very, very sure of it. There's no way you can suffer. After all, it's what I do. I do it full time and I'm pleased with it. Are you with me? No point of regrets. So when I've started this business, I've never regretted for once. So that's that. Let's proceed, please. Welcome, those that are just coming in. Welcome. Let's go to leverage. Leverage results from using borrowed capital as a funding source when investing to expand the firm's asset base and generate returns on risk capital. Leverage is an investment strategy of using borrowed money, specifically the use of various financial instruments or borrowed capital to increase the potential return. All of what I'm saying is English language. Let me break it down. What exactly is leverage? Leverage is like this. Madam Evangel has $100 in the forex market. Madam Evangel has $100 in the forex market. The brokers will go and meet her. Madam Evangel, we know you are feeling as if your money is small, but do you know that we can increase your money? She will not say, how? By using a leverage. Leverage of what? 500 to 1. If you use a leverage varies. So there are leverage of 1,000 to 1. There are leverage of 100 to 1, and there are leverage of what? 500 to 1. For class, I'm telling you that if you use a leverage of 500 to 1, you are probably having in the forex market, it will be 100 times 500, which gives you what? $50. So to you, to Madam Evangel, she is seeing it that she is trading with $100, but to the glory of God, what she is trading with in the forex market is $50,000. But guess what? Do they do this for free? No. There is no forex firm that will give you a good leverage that you don't expect commission to leave. It is not possible. I've never seen since when I've been trading. It's never what possible. So let's proceed. The next one I'll talk about is Forex Brokers. Brokers are firms that provide traders with access to a platform that allows them to buy and sell foreign currencies. Transactions in the market are always between a pair of two different currencies. So traders either buy or they sell the particular pair they want to trade. Now, class, I will spend some time with brokers. The truth is, brokers are those that gives us MetaTrader 4 the platform to trade. In those days, our grandparents never traded forex. Thank God for technology. If not for broking firms, do I even know if I have the access to trade in the forex market? I thank God for my mentor who introduced me, and thank God for knowing that broking firms exist. Brokers differs. Should I tell you something that will marvel you tonight? There are 1,001 brokers right now in the forex market. There are what? 1,001 brokers right now in the forex market. And these brokers are so desperate to get a lot of people. The question now is, if I have this kind of brokers, the truth is, or the question is, who is who? Who is the right brokers? And that's what I want to show right now. There are several types of brokers, but I just listed few here. We have Forex Time, we have Apari, we have OctaFX, we have XNES. In fact, we have Infinox, we have TopFX, we have InstaFX. You can see, I'm even tired. We have what they call these people again, FXTM. I love these people. They've been in existence for one. We even have Antec. No class. I will tell you the one I use. The one I use that I've never regretted for once is Hot Forex. Do you know that I earn in two ways in Hot Forex? My life account and my commissions account. Since when I've been using Hot Forex for once, I've never said it was a big mistake using Hot Forex. Are you with me? So what I'm trying to say here in essence is you need to get the guidance of someone to put you through. Another good broken firm I know so well is Top FX. I love this one. They are marvelous. Another good one I know is Antec. Another good one I know is FXTM. Another good one I know is Avatrade. Please, if I don't call anyone here, don't go and put my name on air that Mr. Gospel said that Forex time is fake. These are the ones I know that I know people that have worked with them and they have never regretted for once. In fact, should I tell you one thing that Mav about Top FX? If your account is about to burn, Top FX will stylishly take off your trade so that your account does not burn totally. So that's that. Let's proceed. The next one is platforms and charting softwares. I will not be talking about this here. I will talk about this in the advanced class because the truth is, trading view is what they call them technical traders use. So I won't be able to analyze today because that's a class. I need to do that in the advanced class. There are two classes for this program, the basic class and the advanced class. Let's go to types of traders. There are several types of traders, and they are: one, scalp trader, day trader, position trader, swing trader, algorithmic trader, event-driven trader. You know, normally in the forex market, people only see it as if there are just 4 types of traders. It's a lie. There are 6. I had to go online and do some thorough research, and I discovered this. How do they work? Scalp traders are traders that like to trade for a few seconds to a few minutes. They don't like to hold position to the next day. They know that if they hold position to the next day, there's something called swap fee. Swap fee will come into it. And what swap fee comes into it, what happens? It is really going to what? It is going to, it's really not going to be good for them. Are you with me? So these are who? They are scalp traders. Day traders are very similar to scalp traders. They also don't like to hold position to the next day. They hate it so much. So they see them as what? Day traders. Another type of trader is what they call swing traders. Swing traders are traders that like to follow the swing in the market. For instance, if the market is buying, they will follow the market as a buy. If the market is selling, they will follow the market as what? As a sell. I don't like trading like that. If I trade like that, my mind will not be at rest. Position traders. These are traders that like to hold period for a long time. Yes, I told you that I have some friends. These guys, they are too busy. They are just too busy. As a matter of fact, one is a naval officer. One is a soldier, and the other one is a, what they call these people? Sailor. Those guys, they are too busy. They'll just tell me, Mr. How far? I want to speak a trade, though. Let's see the market together. They are the ones who usually do all the trading and the rest. So when they see it, when they go on the peak, they take their take profit and the rest. The profit you and I will be working for, hitting our head on the floor daily. They will make it in 2 weeks. Why? Because their strategy is right. Should I even tell you one advantage of position trading? You don't need to give yourself, always check your phone. Once you set it, your strategy is right. You only need to come back and just see very massive dollars waiting for you after 2 weeks. I know of one that, in fact, that guy, he always go for this Boko Haram war and all of that. His family is actually at Kwara State. So whenever he comes like this, yeah, Mr. Gosso, I'm around. If you can meet, you meet. If I'm not close to that place or it's not close, we communicate online. And he picks his trade and eventually they are successful. And the man is happy with it. So let's go to the next one. Algorithmic traders. These are traders that design robots and indicators. Class, as I speak right now, let me be very candid with you. I've been designing my robot for a very long time. But within this period of June, I continue. And I'll soon be through with my robots. Robots are very expensive. I'm not here to advertise robots. I'm not even selling robots to anybody here because the strategy I'll teach you in the advanced class is enough. The people that use robots are those people that are extremely busy. Are you with me? That are extremely busy. So robots are done by mostly coders, people that code. Luckily, I am actually, my first degree was actually in mechanical engineering. My second went into software engineering. So that makes it so beautiful for me. I was so lucky that while I was even handling my second degree, my course, the course I was doing was even similar to what I was doing. So it made the job so easy for me. I was so fortunate because it was more or less like I was doing a practical work. Are you with me? So that's that. Event-driven traders are traders that keep up to world news and don't understand how the market can impact. Are you with me? Now, event-driven traders, these traders to keep up to world news and they see exactly what is happening. Look at it so clearly. Coronavirus affected the market last year precisely. Despite the fact that coronavirus came into existence, people were making bastard money. People were making bastard money. I benefited. I'm not lying to you. So now, even if you observe very well, that period when coronavirus was spiking up last year, Bitcoin was really down. What happened? Bitcoin flew up until it crashed recently or it went down. But I can assure that people made their money. See, I always tell people something. If you use the principle of slow and steady in internet business, you will definitely make it. I remember one time I posted something on Nairaland because I'm also a blogger. And I remember I read some posts about some nasty posts some people made. Someone made a comment about someone's post and said, the internet is a place where you can make it, and the internet is a place where you can also be useless. I held that statement. So what am I saying in essence, in conclusion, is this. If you really want to enjoy this program, or you really want to enjoy this business, please, greed should be far from you. I made instances of somebody who started with $100 yesterday. The person within 2 days he had 180 something dollars. And the person, as I speak to you, it's just I cannot be opening my account and be showing you my Forex account. As I'm speaking to you, the person has $0.47. Remember, as I told you yesterday that the man was fluctuating between $4 and $8. Now the man is on $0.47. That is greed. Even me, I don't trade like that. That's why most times, because I also trade for people. Most times when I trade for people, they will tell me, Mr. Goswell, what is the percentage rate that I discuss with them? And they'll now tell me that how fast can you? I tell them, Mr. Man, I'm not rushing. No, if you are looking for a Russian, go outside and look for. I'm not a Russian. I take my time to do what I want to do. If one trade should give me and you $10 in a day, glory be to God. Thank God for that successful day. Are you with me? I don't rush. I don't. Because this business is so terrible that when you rush out. You rush in, you pack trades, you load the account. What happens to you eventually? You rush out. So that is that. It's as if Madam Evangel, can you please unmute yourself? Madam Evangel, can you unmute yourself, please? Madam Evangel, can you unmute yourself, please? Okay. Madam Evangel can't do that. Please, someone should please unmute himself, please. Or I want to discuss something with you. Mr. Kenneth, please unmute yourself, please. I want to discuss with you. Okay. Nobody wants to discuss with me, no problem. Tomorrow is another day. I need I'll be dropping some apps tomorrow. So I need someone to please download the apps. So that app you'll be downloading, Mr. Kenneth. Do you mind if I hope you don't mind if I use your phone to teach a class tomorrow, sir?
No problem.
Oh, thank you, sir. I will drop some apps. So please, I need you to come online exactly 8 p.m. Please, so that we can start the class immediately, and I'll use your phone to teach the class. So that's that.
Okay.
So okay, no problem. Yeah. So you can mute yourself, sir. You can mute yourself very well.
All right.
Yeah. All right. So now let me say the final thing. The final thing here is, like I said previously, this class is of 2 stages. We have the advanced class, and we have what's the beginner's class. The advanced class is going to start from Monday, 28th of June to what? To July 12th. I repeat, it will start from Monday, 28th of June to July what? 12th. And what time are we going to fix for that advanced class? The time we'll be fixing for that advanced class is like it's going to be for 2 weeks, 2 perfect weeks. After this training, you don't need any company to send you signals. You don't need to go and buy signal. You don't even need anybody to trade for you. You can't even come to me that, oh, is that no, because with the strategies I'll be teaching you here, you are already solid in a unique way. What is the cost for this advanced class? What is the cost for this advanced class? The cost for this advanced class is what? 10,000 naira for 2 weeks. Class, this fee has been like this for a very long time. Even me, I can't see. This fee has been like this for. You said what?
How much?
It's 10,000 naira now for 2 weeks.
How much?
Can you look at the screen, please? Have you seen? Hello? Hello? Okay, I'm sure the man. Can you see the screen,
I'm
please?
seeing it.
Okay. The cost for this is what? 10,000.
Yeah.
And this class, this training goes for 2 weeks. Class, you are not discussing with a scammer. In fact, to the glory of God, I have somebody here that was referred down to me. I'm sure, to the glory of God, if not for the record that was done on that man then, I'm very sure we need to have referred the person down to this place. Are you with me? So, please, this training goes for 2 weeks. That's the account details there. Please, I want to beg you all for something. When you are making payments, make sure you send a screenshot to me on WhatsApp. That was why I stated my WhatsApp. That's my direct line. That's my WhatsApp number. Once you make the payment, send hi and send the screenshot so that I can confirm it. Are you with me? So that payment can start rolling. That payment will only occur from Tuesday, which is today, till that Monday morning. Once it's Monday morning, if you think it's a lie, you can try it. Once it's Monday evening, the gate is shut down already. Are you with me? So please, the cost still remains 10,000 naira. That is that. If you have any question, you can ask. While I will just be showing you some things in the advanced class. If you look at my screen very, very clearly, you will see advanced class, advanced class, advanced class, advanced class, Madam Queen, private class. All of the students you see on my Telegram, they are students in the advanced class. The only one that is not in the advanced class is the first one, which is my younger sister. And you can look at this man, Mr. Advanced Class, Mr. What they call it, Mr. Femi. Just look at the profit this man has. This account you are seeing is a live account. This man is trading with his live account. See what he is slamming in the advanced class. The man has graduated and is doing very well. I don't want to go into details because we are not here to give stories. He's doing very well. This is another advanced class. I just finished. Let me even see when we had this class. Let me even see. Okay, these people. Okay, I just finished with these people this month now. Look at profit. Do you know what it means for you to have green by the side of your currency pairs? It means that you struck all the take profits. You struck all the TPs. And we explain all of this in the advanced class. Look at it. Another green ultra. It means this man struck all take profits. Are you with me? Look at it. Just look at performance. So, this is another advanced class. This is another advanced class. Okay. Oh, this is one of the advanced class I'm training presently. Yes. I'm training this set of students presently. You can see them. They are there. They are going to wait for me. In fact, once I'm through it, I'll prepare your YouTube video. You wait for me. You can see me. I'm still the admin there. These are the people I have in that class. So that is that. If you have any question, quickly ask before this time terminates, please. Ask your question before the time terminates. You can start making your payment from tonight. Please, once payment is made, send me a screenshot. Like I once said, you are not paying into a scammer's account. that you pay money, the number is not going through. That is a big lie. That's my name. Go and check me on Facebook. My family, everything is there. For me to expose myself to this extent. Yes, I'm with you. I can't hear you, madam. Can you, what do you say, ma'am? Hello? Hello, madam? Kai, the network is very bad, though. I can't even hear. It's breaking. So, Mr. Kenneth, do you have any question? Mr. Philip, those in the house, do you have any question before this
I
time?
said the advanced class when.
What do you say?
When the advanced class when.
I can't hear you.
The advanced class starts when.
I said it's starting 28 on Monday here. This coming Monday. Okay, she has gone off. The advanced class starts 28 this coming Monday and it ends 12th of July. 2 perfect weeks. Are you agree? So that is that. Thank you very much. Class, see you tomorrow exactly 8 p.m. Good night. Thank you and God bless you.